Jai Narayan student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. Now, myself Nidhi Lal, today we going to discuss chapter number 3, Geography, Our Changing Earth. Now start. This is the basic point. First, lithospheric plates and their movement, endogenic forces, earthquake, volcano, exogenic forces, erosion and deposition, river, waterfall, meanders, oxbow lake, flood plains, leaves and delta. Sea waves, sea caves and sea arches, stacks and glaciers, moraines and wind, the mushrooms, rocks and sand dunes. This parts will be the covered this chapter. Okay. Now, next point. What is the lithospheric plates? Lithospheric, many earth scientists have tried to describe the formation of physical features and with the help of various theories. One such a theory is the theory of plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a scientific theory that describes the large scale motion of earth is lithosphere. So, according to this theory, the earth crust upper part is made up of 7 major and some minor and lithospheric plate. Now, discuss the what is simple words में what is the lithospheric plate. So, the lithosphere is broken into number of plates is known as lithospheric plate. They have move very slow and just a few millimeters each year. Why the lithospheric plate are moving? Lithospheric plate are moving because of movement of molten magma. Because of movement of molten magma inside the earth. See the picture, it moves in a circular manner. See, lithospheric plate is broken into a number of plates is known as the lithospheric plate, and lithospheric plates are moving because of movement of molten magma inside the earth. It moves in a circular manner. Now next, see in this picture, lithospheric plate or tectonic plate, it is the same according to this theory कि earth crust upper part is made up of 7 major and some minor and lithospheric plate. Clear? Lithospheric plate, the earth crust or lithosphere consists of a several irregular shaped plates which carry continents and ocean floor. These are called lithospheric plate. Now see again this picture, lithospheric plate or tectonic plate, same as 7 major and some minor. This condition for, see why? Because the earth crust or lithosphere consists of several irregular shaped plates and which carry continents and ocean floor. These are called the lithospheric plates. It moves a circular movement. And now the next point, these movement move around very slowly, just a few millimeter each year. This is because of the movement of molten magma. Why reason? The movement of molten magma inside the earth. The molten magma inside the earth moves in a circular manner. Okay, now see earth. The movement of these plates causes the changes on the surface of the earth also. The earth movement are divided on the basis of the forces which cause them. The forces which act in the interior of the earth is called as endogenic forces, and the forces that work on the surface of the earth is called the exogenic forces. Now see map of earth tectonic plate. The movement of these plates cause the changes on the earth's surface. And see earth movement, there are two types, endogenic forces and exogenic forces. Endogenic there are two parts, sudden forces and dystrophic forces. Sudden forces like earthquake, volcano, landslide, and dystrophic forces building mountains. Exogenic forces erosional and depositional, river, wind, sea waves and glacier. Now see The movement of plate causes the changes on the surface of the earth. Like example, कि two forces are responsible for the movement of these forces. The forces which act in the interior of the earth, inside of the earth. When two plates move towards each other, they form a convergent boundary. And when two plates move away from each other, and they form the divergent boundary. And when two plates move horizontally past each other, they form the transform boundary. So when two plates collide, they may break into a small pieces, slide one under the other or move horizontally. So the movement plates cause earthquake at the places where the plates meet, same as endogenic forces. Now, movements of the plates have changed the position and size of the continents over a million of years. They have led to the evolution of the present landform features of India. Most volcanoes and earthquakes in the world are located plates margin, but some do occur within the plates. It is the mainly stress within the plates and the continental rock above the result in the movement of the plate. The movement of the plates leads to the folding, faulting and volcano activity and earthquake. So same as endogenic forces. The forces that work on the surface of the earth are called exogenic. It means कि endogenic like earthquake and volcanoes cause the masses of destruction over the surface of the earth, and same as exogenic the forces that work on the surface on the surface of the earth, and endogenic forces interior of the earth, inside. Okay, endo means inside, organic means origin, same as endo means inside, interior of the earth, and exogenic is the outside. तो outside और origenic means origin. तो it means कि origin किसी चीज़ की उत्पत्ति होना, बाहर की ओर होना, वो एक्सोजेनिक हो गया, और जो अंदर की ओर रहा है वो एंडोजेनिक हो गया. Now, two types of movement already discussed कि earthquake and volcanoes and exogenic forces, erosional and depositional. Now next, endogenic forces sometimes produce slow movement and other times produce sudden movement. And sudden movements कि when two plates collide, they may break into a small pieces, slide one under the other, and to move the horizontally. So this movement of plate cause earthquake and the place where the plates meet. The movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the continental over a million of years, and they have led the evolutions of the present landform features of India. Now, sudden movement like volcanoes and earthquake cause the mass destruction. Same, a volcano is a vent in the earth crust through which molten material erupts suddenly. So most volcanoes and earthquake in the world are located plate margin, but some do occur within the plates. The volcano, simple words कि a volcano is a vent opening in the earth crust through which molten material erupts suddenly. Now see the picture. First of all discuss कि already कि stresses within the plate and the continental rocks above resulted in the movement of the plate. So this movement the plates leads of a folding. Folding is the form of a mountain, and faulting is the earth crack because the pressure very highly, so earth is cracked, and next activity very because earth pressure very more and more pressure, and inner layer magma is released, and this another activity is the volcano. So same stress within the plates and the continental rocks above resulting in the movement of the plates. First of all, folding. तो सी द पिक्चर कि फोल्डिंग wrapping ऑफ रॉक्स ड्यू टू द कंप्रेशनल, जब जोर किसी चीज़ का पड़ता है तो वो क्या होता है, ऊपर उठने लगता है. तो कंप्रेशनल फोर्स इज़ नोन एज द फोल्डिंग. तो इस तरीके से हमारी क्या होता है, माउंटेन फॉर्म होता है. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट, सी द पिक्चर माउंटेन. और हर साल माउंटेन हमारी कुछ न कुछ बहुत थोड़ा थोड़े बढ़ते रहते हैं, क्योंकि हमारी प्लेट्स का हमेशा मूवमेंट बना रहता है. ओके, नाउ बिकॉज रॉक फॉर्मेशन नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग उसको डिस्कस करेंगे, बट एक थोड़ा सा टर्म्स हमें क्लियर कर दें कि रॉक फॉर्मेशन, दिस इज द रिजल्ट वेदरिंग एंड इरोजन एग्जिस्टिंग रॉक. And lithospheric plate already discussed ki piece of resid and landmass floating over a liquid magma. now the जब अंदर के जब लिक्विड मैग्मा अंदर मटेरियल है हमारे अर्थ में, इसलिए प्लेट्स का हमेशा मूवमेंट बना रहता है. नाउ सी द पिक्चर volcano. A volcano is a wind. See the picture, wind and opening the part in the earth crust through which molten material erupts the suddenly. तो सेम पिक्चर इज अ शो कि फर्स्टली लावा फ्लो एंड सेकेंडरी कोन एंड दिस पार्ट विल बी द मैग्मा चैम्बर. एंड आप देख रहे होंगे जो ऊपर क्रिएटर है बाहर आ रहा है, ओपनिंग एंड ऐश ऑल्सो इरप्शंस क्लाउड पूरा एंड लेयर्स ऑफ लावा एंड ऐश एंड मेन दिस इज द वेंट, दिस इज द पाइप ऑल्सो. वर्ड्स हम पाइप कह सकते हैं इसको. पूरा वेंट है, वेंट का मतलब ही ओपनिंग, एक तरीके से खुलना किसी चीज़ का, ऊपर की ओर आना. एंड गैस एस एंड क्रेटर. तो एक्सो मीन्स आउटसाइड, कोई चीज़ बाहर आ रही है, आउटसाइड हो रही है. और अंदर इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ मीन्स कि हमारी इनसाइड हो रही है, जैसा कि हम लोग ने अभी उसमें पढ़ा एंडोजेनिक एंड एक्सोजेनिक. नाउ a volcano is a vent opening in the earth crust through which a molten material erupts suddenly. Similarly, when the lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates. The vibrations are travel or around the earth, so the vibration are called earthquake. So same. Now next point is discussed for earthquake. See the picture. हमारे अर्थ के अंदर पूरी तरीके से मटीरियल मोल्टेन मैग्मा का है. सी, इस वजह से हमारी कुछ एक्टिविटी सडनली होती है और कुछ हमारी एक्टिविटी जैसा कि हम लोग ने देखा कि दो फोर्सेस हैं, एक एक्सोजेनिक और एक एंडोजेनिक. और एक्टिविटी हमेशा होती रहती है, लेकिन बहुत स्लोली बहुत टाइम, बहुत मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स के बाद हम उस चीज़ को देखते हैं. और हम लोग अर्थ सरफेस पे भी हम उस चीज़ को देखते हैं. तो जैसा कि फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जियोलॉजिकल फीचर्स में अगर हम लैंड मास ऑफ इंडिया की बात करें तो कैन बी ईजिली अंडरस्टूड कि बाय द प्लेट्स टेक्टोनिक थ्योरी. एंड दिस थ्योरी डिस्कस अबाउट द वेरियस प्रोसेस विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दीज लैंड फॉर्म फीचर्स like the folding and faulting and volcano activity, because the movement of the plates classified into three types. Firstly, convergent boundary, divergent and transform boundary. So see now again earthquake. When the lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates, and these vibrate are called the earthquake. And the place in the crust where the movement start is called the focus, and the place on the surface above the focus is called the epicenter. Greatest damage is usually closest to the epicenter. See the picture. टेक्टोनिक प्लेट फॉल्ट लाइन आपस में जब ये एक दूसरे से टकराते हैं और घिसते रहते हैं तो एक एक्टिविटी जो अभी डिस्कस हुई कि अर्थक्वेक सडनली किस तरीके से आता है. सी द पिक्चर. Now, when two plates collide, they may break into small pieces and slide one under the other to move horizontally, and this movement of plate cause the earthquake at the place where the plates meet. क्योंकि when the two plates move the horizontally past each other. See. Now next, this picture, focus, epicenter. फोकस वहाँ से हमारा जो चीज़ मतलब दीज वाइब्रेशन आर कॉल्ड अर्थक्वेक बिकॉज द वाइब्रेशन आर ट्रेवल ऑल राउंड द अर्थ. तो दीज वाइब्रेशन आर कॉल्ड द अर्थक्वेक. तो द प्लेस इन द क्रस्ट वेयर द सरफेस above the focus. So C is the focus. The place in the crust where the movement start is called the focus, and the place on the surface above the focus is called the epicenter. आप देख रहे हैं जो रेड्स के सीधे ऊपर है वो एपिसेंटर हो गया, वहाँ पे मेनली फोकस होगा। जो वहाँ के आसपास एरिया होगी वहाँ पर अर्थक्वेक ज़्यादा पता चलेगा, क्योंकि जो उसके नियर चीज़ें होती हैं वो हमारे वाइब्रेशन वहाँ पे ज़्यादा होंगे। वाइब्रेशन ट्रेवल आउटवर्ड्स फ्रॉम द एपिसेंटर एज वेव्स एंड ग्रेटेस्ट डैमेज is usually closest to the epicenter and the strength of the earthquake and decrease away from the center। तो सेम कि जहाँ पर कम वहाँ पे होंगी, जो उसके थोड़े से दूर होंगे, जो फार होंगे, और जो नियर है वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम और मतलब ग्रेटेस्ट डैमेजिंग होगी। यूजली जो क्लोजेस हैं, जो एपिसेंटर है, जो उसकी स्ट्रेंथ आप देख रहे हैं जहाँ पर फोकस मेन है, और अर्थक्वेक डिक्रीजेज अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर बिकॉज द फार और नियर में हमारी सबसे ज़्यादा। तो अगेन माई वर्ड्स इज रिपीटेड। द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल earthquake, the vibration can travel all around the earth. These vibration are called earthquake. So now what is the focus? The place in the crust where the movement start, जहाँ से मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हो रहा है, सी रेड से आप देख रहे हैं मूवमेंट स्टार्ट, इज कॉल्ड द फोकस। एंड द प्लेस ऑन द सरफेस अबव द फोकस, आप देख रहे हैं फोकस के जस्ट ऊपर above the focus is called the epicenter, and vibration traveled outward from the epicenter as waves greatest damage। जो उसके नियर में है वो जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा डैमेज इज यूजली क्लोजेस्ट टू द एपिसेंटर एंड द strength to the earthquake decreases away from the center। जो हमारे सेंटर हमारा थोड़ा सा फार होगा वहाँ पे कुछ लेस डिक्रीजेज होंगे। नाउ दिस क्लास डिस्कशन, फर्स्टली हम लोग ने व्हाट इज़ द लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट एंड डिस्कशन द टू टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्सेस, एक्सोजेनिक एंड एंडोजेनिक। And now next class for discuss the earthquake measurement and next measurement and works reward system।